Use a T20 bit to remove the 10 screws securing the rear cover. Unplug the connector connected to the self-propelled motor. Use a T20 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the trail shield. Use a 10mm socket to remove the nut on the joint. Use a T20 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the self-propelled unit. Use a 13mm socket to remove the nut securing the rear wheel next to the self-propelled motor. Remove the motor cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the supporting lever. Use a T20 bit to remove the 5 screws securing the gearbox. Remove the gear and use a T20 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the motor. Replace it with a new motor and tighten with the 4 screws. Install the gear and tighten the gearbox with the 5 screws. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the supporting lever. Install the motor cover and route all the wires in the wire traps. Install the rear wheel and tighten with screw. Install the self-propelled unit and secure the nut on the joint. Tighten the self-propelled unit with the 7 screws. Install the trail shield and tighten with the 3 screws. Plug in the connector and route all the wires in the wire traps. Install the rear cover and tighten with the 10 screws.